Let me show you how to go to the next and also previous song on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4. So when it comes to touch controls, I'm actually not a fan of these earphones as the touch controls actually aren't very reliable on these. So after testing these now for a while. But yeah, first, if you want to, for example, let's say pause or resume a song, you simply squeeze them once. So around the bottom part of the earphone, and you should also feel a vibration, like a haptic feedback. So you see, if you squeeze it once, it for example starts playing the song. If you squeeze it a second time, it also stops. Then for example, if you want to go to the next song, you simply do it twice. But if you want to go to the start of the song, you simply do it 3 times. And if you want to go to the previous song again, you do it 3 times more. So yeah, let me show you. So you see, for the next song, you simply double squeeze them. 1, 2. Okay, actually didn't work it. Okay, so you see, work it now. So let's try again once more. So again, double squeeze. So you see, it goes to the next song. And then if you want to go to the previous song or at the start of the track, so you simply do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And you see, first they will go to the start of the song. So for example, if the song is already somewhere in the middle, if you press it 3 times, it will actually first go to the start of the song. And again, if you want then to also go to the previous song, you do it once more. So 2 times by 3. But again, when it comes to the touch controls, in my opinion, these are actually not reliable on these earphones, both on the regular 4s and also the 4 Pro version as well. So I do not like them actually, to be honest. Good luck.